Hey guys, welcome back to Samaj's Fun Adventures. Today we are gonna do a lava land science experiment. So what you will need for this science experiment is a mason jar
or a plastic bottle
filled with vegetable oil.
Right. Yes, you will need some cooking oil, and make sure you have a lid for your mason jar or plastic bottle. Okay. And then what else do we need for this science project, Samaje?
Food coloring. I got red food coloring, blue food coloring, and yellow food coloring, and water.
Water, right. And kids, before you guys do any science experiments shown in our videos, please have an adult grown-up to supervise you and assist you at all times. And before we begin any science experiments, what do we need to do, Samaje?
Put on our goggles.
Yes, we need to put on goggles to protect what?
Our eyes.
Our eyes. Right. So are you ready, Samaje?
Samaj's Fun Adventures.
Okay, so the reason why we are going to be doing this experiment is we are going to find out what is heavier. Is oil heavier than water, or is water heavier than oil? So what do you think, Samaje?
Water is heavier than oil.
So you think water is heavier than oil. Okay, so we're going to find out by conducting the science experiment. So are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so let's begin. I filled up these mason jars up to 150 milliliter of cooking oil. About a couple of food coloring there. 2 drops would do. Did you know water is heavier than oil? This makes water stay on the bottom of the bottle, while the oil oozes to the top.
This will be it for this video. If you want to see more, hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And I will see you guys in the next fun science experiment made for kids. Bye!
Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys at the next science adventure.